was growing up, my mama used to say, you gotta pick the blackberries in order to get a cobbler. That was something I always looked forward to, because I got to go blackberry picking with my mama. Often we would have, we had a total of 9 kids, cousins and all, and we'd all go blackberry picking together, so it was easy to get enough for a cobbler that way. But Mama always said they taste better if you help pick them, and so I'm inclined to do that. So if I am a grandma to you all in some way or the other, that means if you want a cobbler, pick them is good. But I know with COVID, my little Ronstads don't get to spend the night with me, and we don't get to go morning blackberry picking. So we'll have to figure that out. Now some of you other ones I already know that I do swapping. So if you're giving me mushrooms, green beans, squash, you probably will get a cobbler if I can get enough berries, or at least a taste of a cobbler. This year the berries are looking pretty good, but they're small, and it's later in the year of getting them. And for those of you that are city folks that don't know how to pick blackberries and are just figuring it out at all of that, let me just show you something about the process. Let me flip this around here. Alright. So, you see, blackberries have brars, and they come in here, you have to pick them. It's a time-consuming process. Do a little at a time. Might not get much on a run. I do have a tip for you all, though. I think Mama Mary's getting a little smarter in her old age. Ha-ha! I've got some grippers that actually happen to be what my mama used to reach when she got older and reach up. But I'm using them to get into some of these other ones and pull them closer to me. See? All right. Have a good day. Be kind to one another.